Welcome to another video tutorial on Belina Payroll HR. Today we're going to show you how to set up your general ledger codes in the system. As part of integrating your Belina Payroll with Pascal accounting, firstly, the setting up of general ledger codes in the system has to be done. This requires you generating a chart of accounts from your Pascal and making sure you have all the payroll related codes only. Once that is done, these can be entered into the system either individually or they can be imported via an Excel spreadsheet. We're now going to look into the two methods. Method 1. Entering the general ledger codes into the system individually. This is done via Edit, General Ledger, Codes. You then click on Insert. Please make sure that you enter the code as well as the description exactly as they are in your Pascal. Once you're done entering the code and the description, you can then click on OK to save the record. You can then proceed to enter the rest of the general ledger codes in the system. Method 2. Method 2 is done via an import of a spreadsheet. The first thing that you'll need to make sure is you've got your spreadsheet ready. Here's a sample layout of your spreadsheet. It should contain a code column as well as a description column. Once the spreadsheet is ready, you can then go back into your payroll and proceed with the import. This is done via Utilities, Import from Excel. Please do make sure that you take a backup before you proceed. You then click on the lookup button of the source file, locate your file and open it. You click on Open. Once it opens up the file, you can then click Next. Where you've got your target file, you will need to drop down and select General Ledger Codes. You can then proceed to match the two files. Code with code, description with the description. Once you're done assigning the columns, you can then click on OK to proceed. In this case, we are allowing creating of new records as they do not exist in the system already. You click OK to proceed. Once it's done, it will give you a notification. We will then need to check to see if the files have come through. So we go to Edit, General Ledger, Codes. You will notice that it would have populated the General Ledger codes on the spreadsheet. Please note that either one of these two methods can be used to enter the General Ledger codes into the system. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching.